In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the inquiry form using the WP Travel Engine plugin. This process is essential if you're looking to tailor your travel website's inquiry form to better meet your customers' needs. It's a straightforward process that should only take a few minutes, especially when you know exactly where to go and what to do. Let's dive right in and look at each step closely. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where most, if not all, of your website management activities begin. Having administrative access here is crucial, so make sure you use the correct credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, your next step is to navigate through the dashboard, head over to the WP Travel Engine section, and then click on Settings. From there, find and click on Miscellaneous. This is where you will access a range of options related to your travel booking settings. Now, as you're scrolling down within the miscellaneous settings, you will come across the inquiry form or inquiry form settings section. This section is the heart of our tutorial today. Here, you'll be able to control and customize the fields that your customers will engage with when making inquiries. Following this, you have the option to enable or disable the form fields that are displayed on your inquiry form. This is your opportunity to make sure that only the most relevant information is requested from your customers, optimizing the inquiry process. Select the fields you want by toggling them as enabled or disabled to suit your needs. Pay special attention to key form fields like name, email, phone, and message. Clicking on each of these will allow you to further tweak their settings. Additionally, look for the trip details option as well. These fields are essential for gathering necessary information and ensuring efficient communication with potential clients. If you need to go further and personalize the user experience, consider adding custom labels or placeholders for each field. This added touch can help guide users on how to fill out the form correctly, minimizing submission errors and maximizing clarity. Next, let's configure the email settings. This step is all about specifying where the inquiry submissions will be sent. Ensure that the right email address is configured so that inquiries are directed to the person or team responsible for handling client inquiries. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes. This last step is crucial. Without it, all the customization you've just done won't take effect. Make sure that every alteration sticks by saving it in the system. By following these steps, you've now tailored the inquiry form to be more aligned with your business's needs, making the client interaction smoother and more effective. Enjoy the improved functionality of your inquiry form with the WP Travel Engine plugin. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tutorials.